the message for the future who would come for the nice congresses and as well the Dental World Show here in Budapest. I would recommend you definitely do that. It's better than to sit at home on your sofa. Hello, my name is Fomina Antonia. I'm coming from Russia. I'm a dental surgeon, prosthodontist, CEO, so I'm doing quite a lot of things, but today I was invited as the Geistlich Scientific Manager to give the lecture about biomaterials. Oh, I would say it's an amazing experience because I've seen lots of guys that really know the topic because we did the quiz before and after the lecture, and we see that they know quite a lot about bone materials, but for example soft tissue mattresses were quite new for them. So I was happy that I could give them more new information. Everything was perfect, like a nice screen, everything, the water I had, so everything was nice. And the room temperature, like everything was perfect. You know, I really like coming to exhibitions. Why? Because I can see a lot of new people. I can communicate with my friends as well. I see new technologies. I can touch the materials. That's also important, you know, not just to read something, but to touch, because dentistry is mainly about practice, so you need to touch something. That's the message for the future who would come for the nice congresses and as well the Dental World Show here in Budapest. I would recommend you definitely do that. It's better than to sit at home on your sofa. You will get lots of new information, new friends, and for sure you will probably find some new techniques and you will try that as well. So for your practical skills it will be also useful. So definitely come to the Congress and the World Show.